everybody, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came out of an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Rater for a discount. This is Indomie vegetable. Very gettable. Very gettable. Yeah. So this is the God, what do you call it? The Sayuran variety. That's what they call it. In Indonesia. 3 minutes. Then we'll drop in these 3 sachets actually, and then go from there. So, how's everybody doing? I tell you, manners. Please is nice, especially from your children. It's like, just say please and thank you, that's it. So many good things, please and thank you. Anyways, quote of the day, Mo Grando speaks. This is quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 51, be childlike and always ask why. Number 52, always keep a window of your mind open. It will allow you to see what others do. You can learn a lot by watching people, that's for sure. So, my foot doesn't hurt anymore. That's a good thing. Pretty excited about that. Went out and did a bunch of walking today. I'm trying to finish up this stupid Pokemon Go thing though. Yeah, I know. Totally give me crap about that. Totally. I deserve it. But, yeah. So I could have done more walking, but I was like running around pushing buttons on my phone. And that wasn't too helpful or useful. What did we do yesterday? Went grocery shopping, went to the Asian market, went to 99 Ranch Market. Got mung bean sprouts, more curry powder. Yeah. A minute? I want to talk to you about a minute for. Got double stick tape coming from Amazon. Amazon had an outage out last night. I'm like going, oh, double stick tape, that's what I need to get. So I go to Amazon, I type it in, like looking through stuff, and I click on one, it's like, refresh your browser and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay. Oh, it's not working. I can click on things, but it just says, reload this and maybe it'll work next time. Reload. Never worked. I think it was out for like an hour and a half. I don't know what your future is like, but maybe we'll have more of that pretty quick. That's fine. It's irritating, but you know. 2, 1. Alright. So this vegetarian one, or vegetable, or vegan, or whichever it really is over here, it's got it's like soto, which is kind of usually a beefier thing, but it's what do you call it? It's got a lot of lime flavor to it usually, so we'll see how it goes. Probably won't be bad. It's got a sachet of powder, it's got a sachet of chili powder. It'll get out of the sachet it's in. There's that. I think they do also have a mee goreng version. So it's a dry noodle version. So yeah. Got back to dieting hardcore last week. It's going good. really good. I'm happy to announce. You know what's good is you get one of those bags of 100-calorie popcorn and you dump seasoning in it, like soup base for instant noodles, and shake it all up. Tom Yum. Is yummy. Alright. Alright, here we go. Good chew to the noodle. See if that helps. The broth. It's buttery. It's got a little kick from the chili powder. But if you ask me, what vegetable is that? I'd be like, buttered vegetable? Kind of unsure about that, honestly. It's good though. It's definitely, it begs adding stuff to it, of course. That's what I'm gonna do. Personally, I think everything likes eggs. And this confuses the heck out of me. But see, there's a half an egg. Oh, that's so weird. We can do something about that, but and there's the other half of the egg, and I've got a little bit of there. I just don't, I don't know. These eggs are being weird. But I want it to look right, so I'll just go ahead and you can just do this. Like that. There. That kind of works. I don't know. I'm not too thrilled about that plating, but add a little bit of fresh mung bean sprouts I got yesterday at 99 Ranch. And since it is a vegetable, I'm gonna go with Holy Slicer and make that happen. About there. Oh. Like so. Okay. I'm gonna go with the standard. Some seeds. Really gotta learn how to control that slicer, I swear to God. And since it's Indonesian, if I can find it, there it is. No, that's that collection. No. There it is. It's called Bon Chabe, spicy stuff. that is all she wrote for this one. Yeah. Kind of like a buttery vegetable kind of thing going on here. Alright. Get some different tunes. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, this next one is going to be another one from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Szechuan Wangyu from China. This is their quadruple 9 artificial beef flavor. So, yeah, you can catch that tomorrow. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.